Okay, well, here's what it's doing outside. Snowing, sleeting, raining, you name it. So, my metal detecting has been put off for a time being. And I'm going to do my second favorite thing to do. Sorry for the light there. I'm going to fix my computer. By fixing it, I mean I'm going to replace the motherboard, replace the graphics card, and the CPU. And that's about it. I got a new hard drive and a new operating system. So I'm going to be putting in this new MSI motherboard and this graphics card. HIS, I hope it's okay. And operating system and this AMD Phenom 2 multi-core processor. Sticking with AMD, I seem to like them better. Okay, here's the old hard drive, fried by my son. Here's the old graphics card, gigabyte. I'm really not sure if it's working or not, but it's okay. I'm going to upgrade to a better one. Alright, I'll let you know how it turns out. Keep updating the video. Okay, I got the stock, got the AMD in, the stock fan, new motherboards in. So I'm getting ready to put the RAM back in and plug everything back in. And then we'll see what happens from there. Here's the old motherboard. I don't know if it's fried or not. I'll try and figure it out. The battery's probably still good. There's Gracie. Gracie. Okay. Well, it looks done. Graphics card. Big. So, can't really get to the 2 slots below, leaving me with 1 slot. Kind of aggravating me. New hard drive. Well, everything should be ready if I have it plugged in right. So I'm going to hook it up and give it a try. See what happens. And I have bad cord maintenance, but I don't fix it later. Let's see if I have something for these gaps here. Okay, I'll plug it in and I'll let you know what happens. Okay, she's running. Quiet. Listen how quiet it is. Okay. I gotta put the disc in. That's gonna take a while. I'm gonna clean up my mess. Okay. Here's the finish. Here's my Smilodon. Here's the new Raid Max. Actually, new old one, which was my son's. All pumped up. Oh, and it runs real quiet. So I've got 2 computers, 1 monitor. Just hit this button. Switches to the new screen. Come on, puppy. Oh, yeah. Let's see what happens here if we switch back. She must have went in sleep mode. Okay, trying to get some more light here for my finished project. There they are, side by side. Got them hooked to one monitor. Let's see, so let me get my light better here. The finished product, the stupid light, so we can get a better picture. Okay, so I got one monitor, the mouse, keyboard, one keyboard, one mouse. Okay, so we push this button here. So switch to the other. Switch to the other, which this is the brand new one. I gotta set it up, I gotta get an antivirus on it. It's just Windows 7. No blobware. Okay, here's what I bought. Come around here, see the side of my smile now. Got these Altec speakers for $5 in the estate sale. They're awesome. But there's my setup for my 2-in-1 project. Alright. There she is. Switch over one more time. Boom. Alright, there it is. Thanks for watching.